Hello everyone, how you guys doing? And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at grocery store and can you guess what I'm gonna make? So I've got bonito flakes. For this chicken is not for today actually. Prawns. That was a frozen one, and that's everything that I've got. And that's the ingredients for today. So I've got a sliced cabbage, the frozen prawns, egg, water, and this flour originally for, yes, okonomiyaki. Just for those who never heard of okonomiyaki, okonomiyaki is one of the Japanese foods, and some people they call it like Japanese pizza or like a Japanese pancake, and it's very easy to cook. So this time I use this flour especially for okonomiyaki, but you can actually use any flour, just plain flour. So first I got the flour in a bowl, one egg, and a half cup of water, and just mixed up very well. And actually how much you put the flour is up to you, but this one is just too watery, just a liquid, so I added more flour, and it should be a bit thicker. Flour, a little bit more. Make sure you mix it until the flour completely dissolves. Now I add some fish powder, cabbage, now we are done for the dough. For okonomiyaki, we have a variety of toppings, so you can choose whatever you want. Actually, some people they put pork, some people they put seafood, and yeah, some people I just try the chicken okonomiyaki as well, and that was so good. And yeah, this time I just got prawns, so I will make a prawns okonomiyaki. By the way, I love prawns. So I cook prawns first because we actually mix all together with prawns and dough, and while the doughs will be cooked quite quickly. So yeah, if you you don't cook like prawns before that, it might be like uncooked when you like cook with the dough. So yeah, I usually like cook the ingredients that I put in okonomiyaki first, and then I will mix them like with the dough, and I will cook the dough after that. So now I'm done with the prawns. Mix with the dough. And this is also after you, but because I love cheese, so I usually put cheese in okonomiyaki as well. Some people didn't like it at all, some people they do like me. And for me personally, like if you put cheese in okonomiyaki, it tastes like so good. So now it's time to fry. Using the ladle, you can put the dough on the pan, and don't worry that much about the shape. You can fix it later on. I will show you how to do it. When the dough cooked good enough, you can just make a shape like this. For especially the pan that I'm using right now is in the middle is a little bit higher. So if you have the pan it's totally flat, that can be better to make okonomiyaki. And after that, you can just check if the other side is cooked well, then you can flip it. Wow, it's not too bad. And then you can cook the other side as well. And it's all done. Put on the plate. We actually have a very important part of making okonomiyaki. First, put okonomiyaki sauce. You can actually make with a tomato sauce and vegetable sweet sauce. I'm not sure if you have in your country, but yeah, you can actually use with some vegetable sauce. And just spread it on okonomiyaki. Or maybe a little bit more. Now put mayonnaise. Bonito flakes. When the okonomiyaki is really hot and you put bonito flakes, it's the bonito flakes are moving because it's very light, and when it's hot it's kind of how I say, yeah, it's moving. And then one time I made okonomiyaki with my Brazilian roommate, and she was actually asking me oh, Yuka, is this a bonito flake alive? And that was so funny how she described the bonito flakes. Alright, so now time to eat. So yeah, as you can see, like the making okonomiyaki is like very simple, and I believe like you can still like make okonomiyaki in your country as well, cause we don't really need a specific ingredients. All you need like flour, cabbage, any ingredients you want to put in, and the water. And for the sauce, I'm not really sure if you guys have a like kind of like a vegetable sauce in your place, but yeah, you can actually make like original sauce, you know, like the base, the tomato sauce will be like very important, and if you want to like make it a little bit like spicy, and then like you can put like some spicy sauce as well. It's up to you. Alright, so the second one is almost done as well. So that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed my cooking video, and we'll see you soon.